Hello. I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar by ear. So my guitar's horribly out of tune, and I just want to show you how to tune it. Okay, first of all, I'll just explain. So a metal string is stretched across your guitar to make a note. Okay, and if you follow it to the top of your guitar, there's these tuning pegs, and basically if you turn them, one way will make the string tighter, which makes the pitch go up. The other way will make the string looser, which makes the note lower, makes the pitch sound lower. Okay, so that's basically how to tune a string, but let's move on to how to tune the guitar. So first of all, the low E. So it's here. Okay, so that's the string we're talking about at the moment. If you're playing with another instrument, you might want to tune it to them, or indeed you could tune it to me. So let me just play the E so we've got it. Okay, so that's E. Okay, now what we want to do is tune the whole guitar to that one pitch that we're assuming is in tune, or hopefully we've tuned it from something else. Okay, so if I put a finger on the 5th fret of that low E string, it makes an A. Okay, so the next string, the 5th string, should sound like an A as well. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, so what we basically need to do is tune that A string to sound like our fretted A. Okay, so I think it needs to go up. A little bit more. And now they sound the same. So basically we've tuned that A string to our E string. Okay, let's do the same thing again with the next string. So 5th fret on the A string, so that's this string. Okay, so the 5th fret makes it a D, and the next string we want to tune is a D. In fact, they sound the same now, so they're in tune. So sometimes they might already be in tune, so you don't need to worry if they're already in tune. Okay, next string, so on the D string, 5th fret makes a G. Okay, so G, close, maybe just slightly needs tuning. I think they sound the same. Yeah, brilliant. So that's your G string tuned. Okay, so now that's the bottom few strings tuned. Now it's a bit different on the G string because we have to put our finger on the 4th fret. So that's quite important. So the 4th fret on the G string, okay, that's this string, makes a B. Okay, so that B's in tune, but what about our open string? Ooh, not in tune at all. So they need to sound the same. So I think it's lower, which will mean it has to come up. A little bit more. I think they sound the same now. So that's the B string. Okay, last one. 5th fret on the B string makes an E. Okay, so and our top string should sound an E as well. So let's make them sound the same. Brilliant. Okay, so that's the E's in tune. And when you've finished tuning your guitar, if you play a chord, it should sound nicely in tune. Okay, so I think that does. Okay, so let me just play the strings in turn. So if you're tuning to me, then you can actually hear the pitches. So this is E and A, D, G,